Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Dreamview. I will tell you how to resize image into the paint. First of all, go to paint, then take picture, whatever you want to resize. Okay, here there is an option resize. Click on that. Okay, so first of all, this is percentage. If you want to go pixel, you can go like this. Okay, this is the pixel. Present pixel 962 678. Okay, so I would like to change from 960 to 1000. Okay, this is what I want to change. Okay, or else if you want to change from 1000 to 500 also you can able to change. See, 500 like this. Click on OK. See how picture look like. Then you can save right now. If you save, automatically your picture size will going to decrease. So I would like to resize one more time. Pixel, go to pixel. Okay, I would like to change from 500 to 1000. Click on that. So now click on save. Okay, now if you go image path, check right now, or else if you want to save in any other document, you can save file. Like this friends, we can resize image into the paint. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Any doubts you can comment below. I will respond to comment. Thank you.